short meditation to help you tune into your heart, practicing heart coherence with the exercise of the attitude breathing technique. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Start to tune into your breath, slowing it down. Breathe in and out through the nose. Take a deep inhale, feeling the expansion. And with a deep exhale, feel the release. 2 more. Deep inhale. Slow exhale. Last one. Now as you continue to maintain a steady, slow breath in and out through the nose, recognize the feeling or attitude that you want to change, and then identify a replacement attitude. Take a moment here. If your habit is being overreacted and frustrated, the replacement might be increased patience and kindness. Or if you're living in fear, you may want to replace that feeling with courage. Now focus your attention in the area of the heart. Imagine your breath is flowing in and out of your heart or chest area, breathing a little slower and a little deeper than usual. Find an easy, slow rhythm that's relaxing for you. As you continue heart-focused breathing, practice increasing the feeling of your new replacement attitude. May it be increased patience, kindness, courage, love. Focus on that feeling you initially chose. If you can't find a replacement attitude, just breathe a feeling of calm or neutral through your heart area for a while. This often magnetizes feelings that lift our attitudes and perceptions. Continue your heart-focused breathing. Continue increasing that feeling of the new replacement attitude. And when you're ready, continue to tune into your breath and remember to practice maintaining your new feelings and attitude as you move through your day-to-day interactions. Use this attitude breathing as often as needed to integrate your new feelings so they can become your new attitude. Also, when you are feeling uplifting feelings such as gratitude, kindness, or compassion, use attitude breathing to instate these feelings so they will return more often. May you feel that attitude of gratitude in your heart.